How do we use even though and although correctly in the English language? Even though and although are both used to introduce a subordinate clause expressing a contrast or concession, but there's a slight difference in their usage. Even though is often used to emphasize a surprising or unexpected contrast, while although is used in more neutral situations. For example, even though it was raining, we decided to go for a walk in the park. Emphasizing the surprising contrast of going for a walk despite the rain. Although it was raining, we decided to go for a walk in the park. Neutral statement of the contrast between the rain and the decision to go for a walk. This subtle difference can help convey the tone and emphasis you intend in your writing or speech. In the same way, despite and in spite of have a similar meaning to although and even though. When describing something as startling, strange, or unexpected in connection to anything else, we employ all of these terms. We refer to this as a concession. Although these words have similar meanings, our usage of them varies. Conjunctions include even though and although. They signify the same thing. Though is slightly weaker than even though. These structures are employed by us. Even though plus a clause, however plus a clause. Thanks for watching this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to us.